Well, there is one behavior that I don't like about Ollama. So this program is designed to launch automatically during startup, and it will remain in the background of your computer. And unfortunately, if you navigate to the settings page, there is no way you can change that behavior. But fortunately, there are two ways you can fix this problem. One way is by removing the Ollama shortcut in the startup folder on Windows. And to do that, you can press the Windows and R shortcut key on the keyboard, and then you can type shell : and then startup. So this is the command that you must enter. Click OK. And here you can select Ollama and you can just delete that shortcut. So basically these are the programs that are running automatically during startup, and by removing Ollama, it will guarantee that this program is no longer running during the startup and possibly slowing down your system. Now, the second option is by using Task Manager. You can right-click on the taskbar, and let's navigate to Task Manager. Click Startup and find Ollama. There you go, Ollama.executable. And you can just click this disable button. It is giving the same effect as deleting the shortcut on this startup folder. So it's up to you which method that you prefer the most. But yeah, that's basically how you can stop Ollama from running automatically during startup and in the background. But don't worry, you can always use Ollama normally. You can still just launch the program in case you want to use some AI features that are requiring Ollama to be running on your device. So that's basically it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.